Hello and welcome everyone. I am Daniel Heine, a 4th and final year student at GMIT Letterfrack on the Level 8 Bachelor of Honours degree in Furniture and Wood Technology. This tutorial package, which was set up as part of my major project, will help convey the fundamental principles of a range of advanced Inventor features that have been released. To find out more about GMIT Letterfrack, visit the webpage linked below or follow the college on Facebook or Twitter at GMIT Letterfrack. This is the third video of a suite of tutorials which, through the aid of creating a little drinks cabinet, help to set up and go through the processes of using the new Inventor tools, iMates, iFeatures, iParts and Forms. Let's take a look at features, iFeatures. An iFeature is one or more features that can be saved and reused in other parts, therefore dramatically speed up the process of drawing within the software. So an iFeature is basically when you create features, you can extract that feature and put it into another part as many times as you want. The short tutorial will give an overview of the functionality of iFeatures, discuss how to set up and apply a basic iFeature, show the capabilities of iFeatures in the furniture and wood products industry. And then in the next tutorial, hopefully we will place an advanced iFeature. Okay, previously we have drew up a door for our handles. I'm going to do this again on your XY plane with 2-point center rectangle from the origin, and we're going to put them up, and we're going to put them 500 wide by 700 high. I mean, actually name these actually. So length, door length equals 700, and door underscore width equals 500. Enter. Finish your sketch, and then we're going to create an extrusion of the door, and door underscore thickness is equal to 20, and press the tick. Now that's a little door, and we're now going to draw on the back of the door. We're going to create a new sketch, and we're going to draw a circle on the top, and this is going to be, we're going to draw basically hinge holes for a door. Hinge. Okay, we're going to call this large diameter hinge, and we're going to set that at 35 mil because it's a 35 mil standard Halfley hinge. Press enter, and we're going to offset that circle. We're going to offset the circle from the edge. We're going to put them down, say 100 mil. So we're going to go hinge underscore offset equals 100 mil. Enter. And then for a hinge, to the center of a hinge, Halfley hinge or plumb, to the outside edge is normally 21.5. So we're going to go hinge hole underscore inset and equals to 21.5. Hit enter. Perfect. Next thing we want to do is we want to create two little holes for your screws. So we'll do two little 3mm holes. So small underscore diameter, and we're going to let that equal to 3mm, and we'll do the same on the far side. We have this set up now, so we're just going to go there, and then we're going to set a dimension on that, and the diameter is going to be the same as before. So we're going to go to list parameters, and small diameter is here, and 3 mil. Okay, perfect. And they're normally offset. Check there is there to here. It's normally 45. So we're going to go small holes underscore offset. And that's going to be 45. And then in from the edge, that's going to be, let's say, 35. So we'll go small diameter offset is equal to 35. And then we want to center them. So what we're going to do is we're going to go from the center of this fella to the center of this fella, and go this parameters, small diameter, small holes offset divided by 2. Perfect. And this fella here wants to be the same, so we're going to select a line constraint. So this fella here is going to be horizontal to this fella. Now that's constrained. We want to do the exact same on the bottom of your door, so you have 2 hinges, and we're going to draw a line. We're going to create a construction line, and it's going to be a center line as well. This is so you can mirror across your little sketch. That's to the center, and we're just going to mirror that. So you can just highlight that there. Do that again. Mirror, highlight all your little holes, and mirror line, picture mirror line, and apply that, and it's done. And you have 2 holes. Well, you have 3 more holes, and you finish that sketch. And we want to extrude them little holes now. We'll do the 2. Do all the holes actually, and just get that around there so we can get to the one. And this is going to be a cut, and this is going to be hinge depth, and let that equal to 15. We'll go 30 for the crack. Okay, perfect. Now you have two hinge holes in your door. Then on the front of the door, we're going to create a new sketch, and we're going to do the 2 holes for our 2 dowel holes, dowel diameter, and that's going to be equal to 4 mil. And we're going to do the same above that, and we're going to let that equal to this file here. Okay, we don't want. And we're going to call it dowel diameter underscore diameter, and that hits the area, I know. And they're offset from the bottom. We'll let that equal to 50. And from the edge, that's going to be equal to 50. And then the 2 of them are offset from each other. They're going to be 100 apart, and they're also going to be aligned vertical with each other. So hit the center. I'll zoom in there so you can see. And hit the center of this one as well. Now the 2 of them are aligned. Perfect. And then you can extrude them. Extrude them out. And they're going to be a distance of 4 mil in the way. Perfect. So now you have little holes for your handles, and you have also the hinge holes in the back. So we can rename these ones here just so it's handy for us to know for later. Hinge holes, and yeah, we'll right click, and this is another way of doing. Just go down to your properties, and then call this handle underscore holes. That's just just renaming it. Click OK. See, it's renamed here now. Now we want to create an iFeature. So we go up to our Manage tab, go over to your right hand side. Might be different, but that's the little glyph there for it. Extract iFeature. Extract iFeature. Hinge hole. And you have all these little things that popped up. Let's drag it out so we can see it better. This is going to be a standard iFeature. There's other possibilities, sheet metal punch iFeature, but for now we're just going to use this one. And you've all these little possibilities with it. We'll want them for later, maybe on. Some of them might not. No, sure, we can keep them on. Okay. These are all associated with the hinge, right? And we're going to go to save. And you can save it here in your catalog, whereas loads of other possibilities are already in Inventor, which are like for metal, like you've also pockets. I'll just see that there now. So you have little pockets that you can bring in, and that are already set up by Inventor for you. But for now we're going to save that onto our desktop, and you're going to save it into your little folder that you're saving all these little iFeatures and iMates, and iParts. So I'm going to save this into my iFeatures place, and we're going to call it hinge underscore iFeature. Save that. Okay. Now we're going to create a new door. Go across to your parts, iPart, create. Part, normal part, and create a sketch on the XZ plane, and we're going to draw a rectangle. Doesn't really matter what size, but we'll just make it say 600 by 800. Big door, big cabinet door, yeah. And we're going to extrude that out. And we're going to go 20 mil. Now that's the front of the door, and then we want to go around to the back of the door and put on our little iFeature. Okay, now you go up to your Manage tab, and we're going to insert our iFeature. So go Insert iFeature, and then automatically it'll pop up your handle hole, and we don't want that. Okay, we go to Desktop, and wherever you place your hinge hole. I place mine in here, hinge hole iFeature. I'm going to open that file up, and then it'll automatically throw up your sketch that you created earlier with all the dimensions. I mean, you want to put it onto this plane here, which is the back of the door, and then you can rotate the angle if you want to put the hinge on the other side of the door. Maybe you want to rotate it, or you want to put it at an angle if you're doing mitered, putting dominoes on a mitered edge. But we're going to go on, and we're going to put them on this fella here, and then you have all your parameters that you set up previously on here. So if you want to change the offset, say we want to change the offset, we want to put it in 120. We can change that here. So next, then we want to activate the sketch. Finish that. Your things have to change in 120. And we're going to we have to link this up to this door. So what we want to do is we're going to create a linear constraint, and at the end of the line, and you want that line to be there. This point here wants to be in this corner here, and then the final bit is this point here is going to be on the end of that line there. But we can't do that because he's in the way, so we're just going to drag him out if we can. Drag it out there. If it's on the same line, it's very hard to snap it on. So we're going to just back up the linear or coincident constraint and snap the end of the line to the corner there. And then there's only one more dimension needed, and he could be here somewhere. Now it's fully constrained. Perfect. And then you can finish that sketch, and then your hinge holes are snapped in. Perfect. Are fully parametric hinge holes. Very good. Now we'll go back to our other part, and we have our little handle holes in here as well. We can just manage them. We can extract them also while we're at it. Handle holes. We only need the 4mm diameter hole for it. Save that into the same spot where we saved the other one. Desktop. And this is going to be handle iFeature. You can save that. Now every time we want to put a little handle on, we need a little handle hole. We just pop it on there. Next, your 4mm hole. If you want to change it to a 5mm hole, save a different size dowel, or and we're going to activate that sketch. Constrain the 3 points. There to there. Here to the corner. And this corner here to this corner here. 2 dimensions needed. This fella here now, he wants to be constrained, so we'll constrain him to the center. And we're going to line him to the very middle as well here. Perfect, fully constrained. Finish that sketch. And then you have your 2 handle holes as well as your 2 little doors. Perfect. This has been Daniel Heine on Advanced Inventor Features. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.